from Rexona, the stick shaped to go smoothly on skin. The stick that doesn't stick. Goes on dry, keeps you dry. New Rexona Extra Dry Stick. 24-hour protection, 100% confidence. Won't let you down.
Sustagen with Mindprobe brings you Cartoon Network's Time in Theater 2000. Watch all new cartoons from Cartoon Network on a huge full-size screen. Meet Dexter, Dee Dee, Cow and Chicken, and Scooby-Doo in person at these cool summer sites. Buy 1 kilogram of Sustagen or Sustagen Junior and exchange them at authorized ticket outlets. Buy more Sustagen and get these items for free. Hurry, get your tickets while supplies last. Also sponsored by...
From a magical world where skies are blue, where children's dreams come true. All you need's a wish or two, plus a touch of magic too. Mickey and friends, let's play together. It's Happy Meal Ever After.
A commitment to love your face through anything. That's new Johnson's pH 5.5 facial wash. Not soap, but skin cleansing that's true to your skin. Most soaps may irritate skin with their high pH. But Johnson's pH 5.5 has the pH level of healthy skin. For soft, glowing skin, Johnson's pH 5.5 facial wash. Soft, healthy skin is pH 5.5.
Dry cough, ubong walang ilabas. Masakit, parang kinatena ang dibdib. You need the strength of Alarin for dry cough. Alarin controls the cough reflex to relieve dry cough. Alarin, the formula for dry cough.
Ang panaginip ni Dindo, nagkatotoo, nanalo sa Coca-Cola Star Trip Enjoy. Tatlong tansa na pinadala, rockstar na pagtripan niya.
King ang dating kasamang barkada, sa 5-star hotel pa sila.
Aba, nag-noontime show, nag-recording. Sa Ayala Center, nag-shopping.
Ka-jamming ang stars, rock and roll sa gabi. May cash pang uwi. Kahit anong trip, basta Coca-Cola Enjoy.
I finally found a safe way to whiter skin. Nivea, a brand that's trusted worldwide. Nivea Body Whitening Lotion. It's the Nivea that whitens.
Ngayon at kailanman, sumpa'y maglilingkod sa'yo. Ngayon at kailanman, hindi ka na mag-iisa. Ngayon at kailanman, sa hirap o ginhawa pa, asahang laging may kasama ka. Pangarap mo'y makakamtan, handa kitang paglingkuran. Ngayon at kailanman.
Uy, Suki! Ang natural fresh flavor tang, sagana na sa sarap ng purong oranges, sagana pa sa bitamina. Sagot ko yan! Ang katunayan, may sangkap Pinoy feel.
Basta tang, inom lang ng inom.
Dati, naglihim sa mga babae. Ngayon, sa mahaba.
Pantit, pantit.
Tapos, ayaw na ulit.
Ba't naman ganitong lasa nito, Tyra?
Gusto mo?
Gusto ko bilog na lang.
Eh, kung sagwap dito, ito kaya?
Dito na muna siya. Alam mo, ngayon din tayo. Samahan mo siya sa kwarto.
Apektado ka man! Extra! Pero nabago na kayo!
Richard Loves Lucy. Ngayong linggo, alas 8:30 ng gabi sa ABS-CBN lamang po.